I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a joystick. First, make sure your controller is fully charged and ready. Navigate to your phone's Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. Then, activate pairing mode on your controller, usually by holding a specific button until a light flashes. Once your controller appears in the list of available devices, tap on it to establish the connection. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once your controller is paired, open Call of Duty Mobile and head into the game settings. Look for the Controller section, which is specifically designed for external input devices. Here, you will find an option to enable controller support. Make sure this is turned on. Take some time to adjust the button mapping and sensitivity settings to perfectly suit your individual preferences for aiming and movement. It's important to note that Call of Duty Mobile officially supports specific controllers, primarily the PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 and Xbox One controllers. While newer generation controllers like the PlayStation 5 DualSense and Xbox Series X/S controllers often work, compatibility can vary. Be aware that some third-party joysticks might not be fully supported, potentially leading to an inconsistent experience across all game modes. To truly master playing with a joystick, practice is key. Spend some time in the training grounds to get a feel for the controls and aiming mechanics. Don't hesitate to fine-tune your sensitivity settings. A small adjustment can make a big difference. For extended play sessions, consider using a phone mount that attaches your device directly to the controller, enhancing comfort and stability. Always keep your game updated for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.